Sheena, let's talk about the operation for a second. What procedure did you have?
The procedure, well, the first time I went, it was cancelled. So I was getting all excited, thought, great, I'm going to have this tumour removed, then I can get married, because I was due to get married like probably 2 weeks previous.
Yes.
Then it was cancelled again. So actually on the third time the procedure it went ahead, and the staff though, they were absolutely brilliant with me, and I was okay. I didn't have to have any drains put in or anything. I was very uncomfortable after it.
Yeah.
But the reaction would be, as soon as I woke up, I looked down to see if they'd taken my breast.
Yes, what had they done? It was a lumpectomy, I think.
It was a lumpectomy, and it was such a neat little tiny cut, really.
Really?
But I was looking there to think, wonder if, I didn't know if it was there.
Worried at that point.
Yes, very worried.
What did you think of the outcome, surgical outcome?
I couldn't fault it. There was a guy, I think his name was Mr. Anderson. He's retired now. Oh, he's a lovely man.
Yeah.
And he'd done a really, really neat job, and he was really good.
Oh, that's good to hear.
He was my consultant.
But you did have that slight problem with the cancelled operations. Now, what explanation did they give you for those cancellations?
There were no staff.
Really?
The 4:30, I think the second time, I'd even got the thrombosis socks on, everything ready to go down to theatre.
Wow.
And it was around 4:30, and they came to me and said, well, you'll have to go home because there's nobody in. You'll have to go home.
Wow.
So
That's
at
quite
this
a shock.
point, yes, because I wanted it over and done with.
Definitely, I can totally understand where you're coming from. You were ready, hyped up to go, and
again,
at the last minute cancelled.
Because I was planning a wedding and everything, and I didn't want to go through the wedding thinking, I've got this tumour. I kept thinking in my mind, if they could remove the tumour, then I haven't got breast cancer anymore. I don't want to get married with breast cancer. That's what was going through my mind. I was very angry about it as well.
Do you feel that caused an unnecessary delay overall, or do you feel they made up for that by getting on with it soon after?
Well, I don't think they did straight away.
No.
But they've done it in the end. But it wasn't very nice.
Yeah.
Because it's stressful enough as it is without having to cancel operations.
How long were you in hospital for after the operation?
I went in, I was only in overnight.
A quick procedure?
Yes, quick procedure.
Because it was such a localised excision.
Yes.
And did you feel any after effects from the surgery?
The after effect, I was okay myself, but very, very badly bruised.
Yeah.
In fact, quite a lot of colours of the rainbow were there.
Really?
And it took quite a bit to heal.
Yeah.
But it did heal fantastic. But what helped, I went on honeymoon, and I think I went in the sea and bathed.
Yeah.
And that, I think, was a big healer there.
So you were waiting for your honeymoon in order to get that over and done with?
Yes.
And then go away?
Yes.
So you were the emotions were really tied up with getting that good outcome?
Oh, yes.
At that time.
Yes.
And when you did go on honeymoon, did you feel that you were getting back to your normal self and, that was behind you, or were there still some concerns?
A lot of concerns, because I tried my best to enjoy my honeymoon, but I knew I had to go back home to chemotherapy and radiotherapy and lose my hair and everything else.
That was slightly hanging over you.
It was.